Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write 10 lines on Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal is my favorite poet. He was born at Sialkot in 1877. Here he got his early education. He graduated from Murray College, Sialkot. He passed his MA from the Government College, Lahore. Then he went to Europe for higher education. On his return, he started practice. He also worked as a professor in Lahore, but he spent most of his time in writing poems. He is very famous as a poet. He wrote many poems for the Muslims. These poems are full of good ideas. They have a special message for us. They are full of hope and courage. Some of the poems are for children. They give them good advice. Iqbal gave us the idea of Pakistan. He also took part in politics. He wanted to see the Muslims as a free nation. He was a great thinker and true Muslim. His poems show his love for Islam and the Muslims. He died in 1938. May his soul rest in peace. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.